A good Chinese friend of mine just informed me that there is an ongoing dragon boat competition 8 kilometers away from my apartment. Wanting to watch this event, I took a taxi. I arrived late, but locals told me there are few performers left. I walked as fast as I could. True enough, there were 2 teams about to take turns. While waiting, this dragon boat got my attention. The vibrant colors, the dragon head, the antler and other ornaments of this boat tell a story. Policemen were also deployed to facilitate peace and order. I was fortunate to witness this important festival. The participants gave all their strength in rowing their mighty dragon boats. I was not sure about the exact rowers, but I believe each of these boats could accommodate 50 rowers. I was not lucky enough to witness the women's dragon boat competition, but still thankful I was able to watch these men paddle their boat back and forth. Witnessing this festival in person is something I am going to remember. It is a festival dear to the hearts of the people, and it will be continued in the next generation to come, as shown by this father and son. I am sure that this tradition will stay and live on in the hearts of the people. This is sticky rice dumplings, a traditional Chinese food made of sticky rice or glutinous rice filled with varieties of fillings, ranging from beans, corn, jujube or Chinese dates, nuts, eggs, pork, chicken and a lot more. It is wrapped in leaves big enough to hold all the ingredients. The sticky rice comes in different sizes and shapes. The process of making is tiresome, but to see your family and friends enjoy every bite of it is the greatest reward. The secret recipe in making this tradition lives on. Among millions of Chinese people, young and old alike, is their love of their culture and tradition. As I have uttered many times, I am fortunate to be in this country to experience such festivals. Happy Dragon Festival, everyone! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe.